In early 2025, Tesla quietly dropped a bombshell, Optimus Gen 3. And this isn't a prototype locked in a lab. In March 2025, Elon Musk announced the first Legion 10,000 Optimus bots already at work inside Tesla factories. Next stop, other companies. After that, possibly your homes for far less than the cost of a car. So what makes Optimus Gen 3 so game-changing? And can it really flip the modern workforce on its head? Let's break it down. Optimus Gen 3 isn't just another robot update. It's a complete rethink of what a humanoid machine can do. First big change, the materials. Tesla's replacing much of the old aluminum body with carbon fiber and tough plastic panels. It's lighter, stronger, smarter. It looks way cleaner. All the wiring is now tucked inside the robot's limbs using flex cables. No messy coils, no wires hanging out, just a clean, smooth frame that wouldn't look out of place in a sci-fi movie. Important joints like the wrists, ankles, and hips, reinforced and sealed, so it can handle dust, oil, water, all the rough stuff that comes with real work. It's not just designed to look the part, it's engineered to survive the very world it's meant to work in. But let's be clear, Optimus Gen 3 isn't just walking better. Now, it's talking.
Hey Optimus, what's up?
How's it going, man? Enjoying the party?
Gen 2 made little clicks and whirring sounds. Gen 3, it speaks. It listens. With built-in microphones and speakers, it can hold full conversations. Real voices, real sentences. You're not just hearing it talk, you're watching it think. Elon Musk says you'll be able to change everything, the voice, the tone, even its personality. And here's something people often miss. It's not sending your voice to a cloud server. It's using Tesla's onboard neural net, powered by the FSD chip and custom interface engine, to process everything locally. Picture this. You say, "What's on my calendar today?" And instead of checking your phone, Optimus runs the commands through its local language model, hands you your coffee, and walks you to the door. When a machine can listen, speak, and process like a human, it's not a tool anymore. It's a teammate. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because that's where Gen 3 really steps it up. Tesla built a brand new drivetrain using high-torque servo motors and fluidic actuators in every major joint. That's why its movement looks so natural now. No more stiff robot arms or clunky steps. It glides, it shifts, it catches itself when it stumbles. The battery? Also upgraded. Tesla swapped in its powerful 4,680 battery cells, raising the capacity from 2.3 to 3 kilowatt hours. In plain English, Gen 3 can work for 12 hours straight without needing a recharge. That's a day's shift. And running the whole show, Tesla's new AI 5 neural modules. These chips manage vision, balance speech, and decision-making in real time. It's sleek, sure, but it's built for serious work. And at this point, it's no longer a question if Optimus can handle a job. The real question is, where will it start? When the inside is built to handle human-level motion, the outside stops feeling robotic and starts working like one of us. If there's one upgrade that really blurs the line between machine and human, it's the hands. Gen 2 had 11 degrees of freedom per hand. Good enough to grab tools or carry things. Impressive, sure, but still limited. Gen 3 doubles that to 22. That's not just utility anymore. That's finesse, human-level control. Each fingertip now has capacitive pressure sensors. Every joint is packed with harmonic drives and absolute encoders. What does that mean in real life? Optimus Gen 3 can thread a needle, sort beads by color, crack an egg without breaking the yolk. In private demos, Tesla's already shown it weaving cloth, playing piano, even assembling tiny electronics. This isn't just copying movements. This is real-time feedback. Sub-millimeter precision. Sensors and AI working together to turn cold metal fingers into something surprisingly human. Hands like these don't just pick things up. They pick up where human labor left off. And where does all that skill come from? One word: data. A staggering amount of it. Tesla's not just building robots. It's training them the way you train a person. Its neural network learns from everything. Every hand movement, every screw turned, every tool picked up is all part of the learning process. And that's just one step. Pilot units already working at Tesla's Fremont factory and other partner sites are constantly logging new data. How long tasks take, how much energy is used, which motions work best. Every night, those logs go back to Tesla. And soon, Tesla plans to launch a skill store, a marketplace where you can download new abilities like apps. Want your robot to garden, paint, help with elder care? Optimus won't just arrive ready. It'll keep getting better every single day. So Gen 3 doesn't just show up trained, it evolves, which means every unit gets smarter, faster, and more capable the longer it works. This isn't some prototype locked in a glass case. Tesla's rollout plan is already in motion and it's picking up speed. By late 2025, Tesla will deploy between 5,000 and 10,000 Optimus units inside its Fremont factory. Not for a flashy demo, for real work, under real pressure. And it doesn't stop there. In early 2026, Tesla will offer limited units to selected enterprise partners. These won't be passive tests. They'll be full shift trials. Real jobs, real stakes. By mid-2026, Tesla aims to scale up to 50,000 units a year, shipping Optimus in sleek modular crates designed for easy setup. The cost? Just $20,000 to $30,000 per unit, less than half the price of most humanoid competitors. When something this capable enters the workforce, not as an experiment but as a shift worker, everything changes. So how's the industry reacting? 2 words: fast and loud. Manufacturing giants are already eyeing Optimus as a way to swap out fixed automation lines for flexible, mobile workers. Hospitals are interested in robots that can deliver supplies or support patients. Hotels are dreaming of 24/7 robot concierge, overnight cleaners that never sleep. Even homes have their eyes on it. And Tesla's rivals? They're scrambling. China's Unitree, Agility Robotics in the US, they're all chasing Tesla's advantage, but none have the full stack. Custom AI chips, next-gen batteries, gigafactory scale, or a global service network. Tesla isn't just ahead in hardware. It's ahead in everything. It's not just the public that sees what's coming. The industry does too, and they're either trying to partner with Tesla or race to survive. You can't unleash tens of thousands of humanoid robots into the real world without rules. Tesla knows that, and they're trying to get ahead of the backlash before it hits. With regulators in both the US and EU, Tesla is co-developing safety standards, collision avoidance systems, audible movement alerts, joint torque limits, and clearly defined accountability if something goes wrong. But it doesn't stop with code and contracts. Tesla is also assembling an independent ethics board made up of labor scholars, public policy experts, and AI ethicists. Their job? Ask the hard questions. Who really benefits from robots like Optimus? How do we protect jobs? And how do we make sure household sensors don't become silent surveillance tools? If a robot is going to take human jobs, it has to be held to a human-level accountability. There's one last barrier between Optimus and full-scale adoption, and it's not technical. It's psychological. Because no matter how smart Gen 3 gets, it still has to pass the gut check. We've welcomed robotic arms and smart vacuums. They're predictable. They stay in their lane. But a 5-foot-tall bipedal machine walking across your kitchen, that's different. And Tesla knows it. That's why newer Optimus models have rounded body panels, soft-glowing LED eyes, and in some versions, optional synthetic skin. Tesla also baked in hardcore behaviors. Optimus won't enter your personal space unless you say so. It asks before acting. It moves with intention, not unpredictability. Still, design only goes so far. What really makes Optimus familiar? Watching it do real, helpful things day after day without fail. You can't normalize a humanoid robot through features alone. It takes familiarity, presence, and trust. With Gen 3, Tesla isn't just building a robot. It's launching an entire platform. Each unit will have access to a downloadable skill store, like an app store, but for real-world tasks. And if Tesla opens this store to third-party developers, everything changes. Bedroom coders, startup founders, robotics hobbyists. Anyone could create new skill packs, sell them, and expand what Optimus can do task by task, room by room, factory by factory. And then things really scale. Tesla's developing swarm functionality, where multiple Optimus units work in perfect sync. One grabs a part, another steadies it, a third assembles, a fourth maps the area in real time. Factories, warehouses, disaster zones. It's no longer one robot doing one job. It's teams of them, moving like clockwork. Optimus isn't just learning to do tasks. It's becoming the foundation of an entire labor platform. Optimus doesn't exist in isolation. It was born inside Tesla's tightly woven ecosystem, and that's exactly where it shines. It charges through Tesla's home battery system. It syncs with the Tesla app. Firmware updates, shot down from space via Starlink. And yes, it even talks to your Tesla car. Everything in that loop from your battery to your bandwidth is already part of Tesla's playbook. The robot doesn't disrupt that system. It becomes a seamless part of it. It's not just joining your home. It's syncing with everything Tesla already built to run it. Gen 3 isn't just an upgrade. It's a metamorphosis from early prototype to full-blown powerhouse. The re-engineered drivetrain and limb actuators allow Optimus to move faster, smoother, more like us. But the crown jewel? Tesla's new AI 5 chip. Musk says it's 10 times more capable than before. That's not fluff. This chip was built for real-time autonomy, handling complex decisions in milliseconds, learning on the fly, staying cool, and barely sipping power. And when paired with Tesla's full sensor suite, camera systems, and neural models, Optimus doesn't just see the world, it reads it. Then there are the hands. Twice the degrees of freedom, sub-millimeter precision. It doesn't just grab, it manipulates. You don't redesign the nervous system and hands of a robot unless you're aiming to replace the human touch. Don't want to drop $30,000 up front? Tesla's got you. For just $100 to $200 a month, you get everything. Setup, maintenance, upgrades, and even the freedom to switch out skill packs. It's the kind of convenience model that made Netflix mainstream, but for actual physical labor. Because if Tesla's goal is one robot in every home, ownership can't be the barrier. Access has to be. Elon Musk doesn't just scale ideas, he builds civilizational goals. His ultimate vision? 2 Optimus bots for every person on Earth. 15 billion humanoid workers. Sounds absurd until you realize Tesla controls every piece of the puzzle. If even a fraction of that vision comes true, Optimus doesn't just assist with chores, it powers a $1 trillion labor economy. If even a fraction of this vision unfolds, Optimus doesn't just work, it becomes part of how civilization runs. This isn't a test run, it's a worker with boots on the ground, just not made of leather. Here's where things get quiet but revolutionary. Underneath that sleek carbon fiber frame, Gen 3 isn't just doing tasks, it's learning you. Elon Musk confirmed, Optimus will build a personal profile over time. Not just what you say, but what you prefer. This isn't rigid code. It's dynamic memory, personalized habits, micro-adaptations baked into daily life. It doesn't just automate, it acclimates. It becomes a little more yours every day. It's not just artificial intelligence anymore. It's personal intelligence tailored to you. But the evolution isn't only technical. It's emotional. Optimus doesn't feel, but it's learning to mirror human interaction. It'll match your tone when you speak, adjust its posture if it senses you're stressed. It won't just talk, it'll speak how you like to be spoken to. It's not emotional by nature, but it's social by design. And in a world where isolation is common, that kind of presence, it doesn't feel eerie. It feels welcoming. You don't need a robot to feel emotions, just to understand enough to move in sync with yours. Let's address the elephant in the room, job loss. Elon's pitch isn't to replace the worker. It's rethinking the work. Optimus steps in for the exhausting, the unsafe, the repetitive, the stuff that breaks backs and burns people out. And here's what critics miss. Tesla's hiring more humans, not fewer. AI trainers, bot operators, maintenance crews, logistics planners. The jobs aren't vanishing, they're shifting. Optimus doesn't end labor, it reframes it toward higher value, higher safety, and way more flexibility. This isn't the end of work. It's a pivot to work that's safer, smarter, and far more sustainable. Optimus Gen 3 is no toy. It's built from aerospace materials, powered by neural networks, trained on real-world labor, and ready for production. This is no longer a someday idea. It's a product with a timeline. Within a few years, owning a household robot could be as common as owning a smart speaker or a microwave. The infrastructure's in place, the tech is live, and the rollout already underway. Because once something this capable becomes normal, there's no going back. Optimus Gen 3 isn't just Tesla's next robot, it's Tesla's biggest bet yet. It walks, it talks, it adapts, it's powered by the AI 5 chip, trained by the Dojo supercomputer, and woven into Tesla's entire ecosystem from energy to cloud hardware. And it's not arriving someday, it's arriving this year. And if you want more on Tesla, AI, and what's coming next, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.